checks. Sign your ex on the line, Santa baby, and hurry down a chimney.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Glamour Queen Rayo, and I'm back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be a Fashionnova try-on haul, and I'm going to be modeling these outfits for you and showing you guys how you can style them up. So I hope you guys like the video, and you guys can like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I try these on. So this is the Inconsistency bodysuit, and this is the beach bum jeans. And this look is so cute. It's a look. And I'll be sure to put all the Fashionnova links to the clothing I'm trying on. Ooh, flip that hair, girl. So I call this look the bad and bougie look because, you know, we got the shades on. And, you know, you Hollywood when you got the shades on. And this jumpsuit is from Fashionnova, and I got my holographic bag just to style it with it, you know, to make a look. I put my holographic bag, so yeah. So this is the next look. These jeans are from Fashionnova. The top is not from Fashionnova, but, you know, I decided to style this top with it. The sunglasses, I got these from Fashionnova like about 6 months ago. And I decided I like it with this outfit. And it's from Fashionnova, so why not, you know, style it with this to show off the look. So I got this nice lace bodysuit from Fashionnova, and I also got these jeans here from Fashionnova. And I decided to style this look with my clutch bag. I got this bag from AliExpress, and it goes really well with this. It makes you look really, really expensive and chic and nice. So this is the next look. I have these pants here. They're from Fashionnova. I just got this regular V-neck from Target to style it up with it. And I also got my clutch here just to style this with. And I have some heels on. I wouldn't wear these heels with this particular outfit, but these are the only heels I have in Florida right now. As some of you guys know, I used to live in New York, so yeah, these are the only heels I have here right now. And this look looks so good with some nice, you know, heels to style this up with. So this is the third look. These are Fashionnova jeans. I styled it with a long sleeve lace top. You can't really see the lace because I wear tank tops under my lace tops. And so yeah, it's a look.